Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to set up or customize Shopify order confirmation emails. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So what you're going to do is, first of all, you need to head over to your settings. Then you are going to head over to notifications. So here you have notifications below customer events. Head over to customer notifications. You have order confirmation, and then you will be able to see your email template in here. So you can customize this and you can click on edit code and do all the changings that you need, and it is pretty easy. So yeah, that's how you can customize this section and your order confirmation emails. I hope this is going to be helpful for you guys. So if you have any other suggestions, let me know in the comments below. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.